Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got this drive shaft. About to throw it on this IROC. It's a three-piece drive shaft for a 6L80. I don't know why I keep calling it a three-piece. It's a two-piece drive shaft initially from OBS. I got that piece made. It's a slip yoke. Hopefully that size is just right, man. I don't want to have to shorten it any. Put the 6L80 in there, 6-speed. Plans to do the paddle shift, man. Let me show you the motor. Dang, hate this hood for now, but let's just get it up. Oh man, let's see. See how you're gonna do that and still put this stuff over it. Need to put the intake on. Looking okay, I guess. Put the alternator on the bracket. Put that water pump is on there. Need me a radiator. My main focus was to get everything bolted into place. A lot of this stuff is nothing but money. You don't have to buy intake. I need a radiator anyway. Same 22s on it, but damn, you can see how that happened before. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, we already know what you gotta do, fix it. Those tires is too meaty for this car. Either I can sell them or just get some other ones, but for now, I think it looks just right. Anyway, man, I'm expecting some good stuff out of this, man. They say that first gear is real good on IROC with that 6L80. I'm not sure the gear ratio. Actually, it's a 450 something. I don't know. I'll find out. We'll see how it feels on the 5.3. Next one is to turn it into a 6.2. It's been sitting there for a while, but the guy wanted a good deposit for it. Anyway, let me show you the underside of it. Show you the drive shaft one more time. This is the knuckle. It's gonna go on the back of the transmission. Slip yoke. This is the placement of a 6L80. For those that say you don't get a lot of space, so I actually think it's pretty good. It's down about another 1.5 inches lower than my other cross member I had. But when I think about it, you see the transmission. You can make a belly pan over there from the oil pan. Look what the oil pan's length is. Pretty much flush. So the way I see it, it's 1.5 inches lower than that in that middle section. A person can slide under there, so that's all that counts to me. In case you have to run over something, it ain't gonna be a person for sure. So anyway, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing in here, let you know how it goes. Hopefully I can get this thing started in the next few days. That's my plans. Just for you guys, this Thanksgiving morning.